best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test, to train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. A heart so true, our courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all.
Hello everyone again, this is another new video. This is PikaPower TCG coming to you with a Zoroark pin blister pack, which is breakthrough. Quick look at the actual pack, which I got from Game for $10.99. It's the cheapest I've ever seen one of these. Exact same one in the same place, with the Mewtwo, Mega Mewtwo one is like £5 more expensive. Don't understand. Give your collection a boost. And that's the guy that I'll be using at Sheffield Cities on Sunday, which I can't wait for that. So without further ado, let's get this one open. And there's Zoroark. I'll just leave him there for now. And the 3 pack arts are Mega Houndoom, Zoroark Break, and Mega Mewtwo. So I think we will go as like that. And if you catch on Twitter, I may give the codes away for these packs, but I'm not sure yet. I'll see if people would be interested. So our first pack is Chespin, Rufflet, Woobat, Chespin, Starly, Parallel City, Curlier, Starmie. Oh, Chestnut Break. Very, very nice. And I'll put him in a sleeve, so at least we get something out of this blister pack. And I think that's like my second or third one of those I've got. And that's Simisage rare. I need to stop making those rare. And I think I'll save Zoroark Break, so I just have preference. That's the Mega Mewtwo pack. And there's something good in this one because I've just seen it. Right, so, and our second pack is Skiddo, Mischievous, Swablu, Flabebe, Axew, Pillowswine, Assault Vest, Vanillish, a reverse Magnemite, and the rare, is a Mewtwo EX out of a Mewtwo pack. How cool is that? Photon Wave and Cyburn. Oh, that's amazing. And our last pack, we probably won't get anything in this one, but it's the Zoroark Break. Three and 2. Let's see what we get. So we have Pansear, Paris, Swinub, Sandshrew, Meowth, Snorlax, Stunfisk, Fisherman, reverse to Dene. Oh, we get something in every pack. That's a Holo Haxorus. Can't complain with. I don't think I've ever had a blister pack that's had something in every pack. Just like one of these 3 ones. So I have Chestnut Break, Mewtwo EX, and Haxorus Holofoil. I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and be sure to keep tuned on my channel, because I'll be having more Pokemon Generations next month, which will be the Charizard EX Full Art Red and Blue collection box, and possibly 2 or 3, depending on the financial situation of the. Is it the Celebi that's one? It's the next is March's one. So be sure to keep an eye out for that, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. This has been PikaPower TCG, and goodbye for now.